Hey, chatters, I have a special Halloween episode for you today. We're going to create a motion image in ChatGPT. Here's my friend the Bat. So let's start by giving credit where credit's due. This guy, Victor Wendt, I had not heard of him before. He just posted this yesterday, I guess. And he just walks through step by step how you create an image here that is animated in GIF format. So I tried it out and we're going to see how it went. So let's start with the prompt itself. I took this prompt that he had and I hope improved it a little bit. This was the original prompt to get the pictures. This is how I changed it. I gave it the mission, act as a professional 8-bit animator, create a sprite sheet with 4 different square frames, and I had a bat flying in a forest. I got really specific with the actual images because the first few times I tried this and I didn't have that, we got some issues here, facing different directions. These are definitely not the same image. So I just needed a little bit more direction for consistency. And then I wanted to make sure that I was actually giving it enough context and direction in creating the images. So I did wings upward. I'm essentially explaining each frame and giving it a lot of information around what should be in each frame. And then I create some rules here. Ensure the subject is centered in each frame. Ensure each frame is from a side view. Ensure the subject is always facing to the right. As you saw earlier, one was facing the other way. And then output all frames from the same seed. I'll do another episode on what seeds are, but all you got to know is essentially it's like we're trying to get the same exact image for all of these. And this is what it came up with. I mean, this isn't bad. Look at that. I mean, again, this took me several tries to get to this point, but that's pretty good. So you're going to want to download that for screen right there. And then we're going to start a new chat. And you'll see here I'm in data analysis right now. So just make sure when you start this new chat, you have data analysis mode enabled. And then just, bring in the image, just click and drag it in, or you can add it by attaching it as a file. You see some of my things here. It doesn't really matter. And then I did take the second prompt from our friend Victor over here. Exactly. This didn't seem like it would screw up that bad if I just copy pasted. So we have create a GIF using the attached image. It's a sprite sheet consisting of 4 different frames of animation arranged as follows. We have it there. And then to create the GIF animation, use the frames in order 1, 2, 3, 4, and then play it a few times in sequence to add motion. And it just does it. Bing, bang, boom. Let's start with the first step. Get it in there. Here we go. And then we have the image and bam, download right there. And here you go. Happy Halloween. I hope this is helpful to you. I don't know how useful it is necessarily. And you can see here, it's not perfect and it did screw up a little bit, but this is pretty sweet. And thank you, Victor, for sharing this and definitely going to have some fun. Thanks, chatters.